organic chemistry. We may as well look at it from the beginning, since that you've been off, your brains are probably empty. Okay, so learning intentions. We need to be comfortable defining what organic chemistry is, to be able to distinguish and label compounds which are both organic and inorganic. Give the definition word perfectly of a hydrocarbon and tell me where you can obtain your hydrocarbons from. So, organic chemistry, it's fabulous. It's the study of carbon containing compounds, okay? Very simple. If it's got a carbon, most of the time it's organic chemistry. The exceptions are anything containing carbon dioxide. So anything that has CO2, for example, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and then your salts. Salts, basically, when they react with acid, they release carbon dioxide and therefore are classed as inorganic compounds. Hydrocarbons, very simple. Anything that contains hydrogen and carbon. That is the definition. Word perfectly, a compound that contains only hydrogen and carbon atoms. Now, where do we obtain them from? Isn't it a story? So, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy on the earth. We've already discussed how fossil fuels are made. If you have any questions about that, just give me a shout. So, very simple. Coal, natural gas, which is pumped into our houses, also known as methane. It's a colourless, odourless gas, but we add a smell to it. So if there's ever a gas leak, you're not actually smelling the gas, you're smelling what is added, so we'd know that there's a gas leak. And then our petrol. Most of these our petrols are a mixture from our crude oil. So you could have alkanes, which are single carbon bonded compounds, alkenes, which are double bonded carbon compounds, and alkynes, which contain a triple bond. So very simple, very easy, brief introduction. You should be comfortable with defining your organic, labelling your compounds as organic versus inorganic. Give me word perfect definition of a hydrocarbon and where we get them from.